Hey guys, I'm going to try to do a bike check. I'm not really secured with all these. I've never done one before, but as you can see, I have a GT frame. Pretty much solid. I have salt cranks, 3-piece crankshaft. I got the GT bicycle seat. Comes in handy sometimes. My rims are, if you can see that, G303. They're pretty much X Max S. I think this one is the same thing, yep, but it's not X Max S. I don't remember what my pedals were. I think they're, let me see this, Net Compact. It's something Agent. Got my GT head holder. I think these are the original. I think these are the original handlebars. This is the head holder. These aren't the original GT back brakes. These are the original front, which you see they work pretty well. These grips, I got these grips from one of my friends. They're old Red Lines grips. And my forks, my front fork is it's kind of wore off. 4130 CRMO Stereo. Well, that's my bike check, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I should be getting a new bike pretty soon. So, peace out. Rate, subscribe.